All right, so we're back at it. Got a 2020 Blazer, and we were getting a steering assist warning on our dash, and something about reducing speed, and the temperature goes down to 0. So the first go around, did a bunch of research, and it said the temperature sensor fails. The model Blazer only has 60,000 miles on it, so we're like, whatever. Cheap, but pain in the ass to replace. Replace the sensor and replace the thermostat because you had to take the whole intake off to do it anyway. So we thought, well, what the heck, miles to do it anyway. So we did it, but 2 months later, we're back at it. We're having the same problem. He's getting a steering assist. So I want to test out this thermostat. It goes up to 200. Oh, we're there right now. So let's stick this in there, and sticking this in there, and this thing should do some sort of, it should open up. The metal should react, and 200 degrees, this thing should open. So let's see if this is doing it. Oh, it's a bolt fell. Weird. I did not open. Alright, maybe it takes a little bit longer. I've never done this before, so figure 200 degrees it would open up, and we're right at 200, but maybe this thing tops out at 200. But the water's boiling, so you know water boils at what, 212? So really, this thing should open up here, and it really should start steaming and venting out of here like hot air steam, and this thing is not opening. I'm gonna have to put some more water in here. Maybe it's not. Alright, so it's been let's see. Yeah, we're above 200 right now, so we're definitely going to probably 215 or whatever. Doesn't look like it's opening up to me. Should this thing like move? It's almost like it's stuck, closed. No, it's a 2020 Blazer with just 60,000 miles on it, and it keeps having all these issues. Alright, I'm going to pause this and just check this out for a second. Alright, so this has been sitting in this boiling water for a good 2 or 3 minutes. We're well over 200 degrees, as you can see that. We got to be 210, because halfway in between it. So that's, yeah, it's got to be 210, 212. Got to be. The water's boiling. There's hardly any steam coming out of here because this thermostat is not opening up. So I just wonder if these thermostats are truly junk, and the one that we just replaced, that's been in the vehicle for about 2 months now, is having these same issues. Try something here, because I think this thing is jammed. Nope, it's not. It's just not opening up. This right here should open or something. And now, that right there, the water, this has to come down so that the water can pass through. And it is not opening. I thought maybe that was, the ball was jammed or something. But it's loose. Alright. I can do a little research to see how this thing works. Alright, hit that. Alright. I just pulled the thermostat apart just to see if there's like a malfunction or something, because this is not opening up. It's not. But I don't know if there's something with pressure that's supposed to help open this too. Maybe it pushes. maybe it just operates a different way than a normal thermostat. Normal thermostat, you just supposed to stick it in wire, and metals would do their reaction, and it would open itself up. The forces. This one doesn't do anything. It just sits there and stays closed. Just not good. So, anybody else having this issue out there? We need some help because this is ridiculous. 2020, I think it's getting a P0128, but it's getting a steering assist. The fans turn on high, and you really can't drive the vehicle unless you reset the check engine code, and then it clears it and then starts all over again at some point. But so far, nothing's broke. Yeah, I don't get it. We need some help. So I would think when you heat it up, the thermostat should open up and you should be able to see it like that. And that little piece right there should pull down, allow coolant to flow through there. But for some reason, it is not doing that. And I don't know if maybe if it uses this pressure from the top to push it as it heats up the spring. I'm not sure, but mechanically wise, it is not bound up. I just wonder if this is a bad design. I don't know, GM. Help us out. This is not working. This is an issue that obviously you guys have bulletins on, and you know. So take care of your people. Take care of your vehicles. We need to get this right. It's ridiculous.